Hello, welcome. Today let us have the class on factorization chapter. Let us learn how to factorize the expressions, given algebraic expressions related to difference of two squares. Already we had in the last class. Some more let us go into learn. First one is a square into b plus c minus b plus c whole cube. How to factorize? I have written 3. How to factorize this? Let me explain you. See, this is one term, this is another term. B plus c is here. B plus c whole cube is there. That means b plus c is common. This is equal to b plus c is common, and here only a square is there. A square minus here b plus c whole cube means b plus c into b plus c into b plus c, or b plus c into b plus c whole square. So b plus c, when we take common, b plus c whole square will be left out. I hope this is clear to you. That is equal to b plus c into, let us open the brackets, a square minus, it's like a plus b whole square. B plus c whole square is b square plus 2bc plus c square. Now let us open everything. B plus c into a square minus b square minus 2bc minus c square. I hope this is clear to you. Now, something more we cannot do, only this much. Now here this is a different variety, you see. A square minus b square into c square minus d square minus 4abcd. This is one, this is another one. 2 terms only. This particular expression is having only 2 terms. What we have to do here is, first we have to open this and let us see what we are going to get. A square into c square, a square c square, a plus into minus minus, a square into d square, a square d square, minus into plus minus, b square c square, minus into minus plus, b square d square, then minus 4abcd. Now when we see, you see, minus 4abcd can be split into minus 2abcd and minus 2abcd. Here a square c square, here b square d square, here a square d square, b square c square. So what I do is, let us do a square c square minus 2abcd plus b square d square, okay, minus a square d square minus b square c square minus 2abcd. What I did is, I have rearranged these 4 terms, and minus 4abcd I have split into minus 2abcd minus 2abcd. Now this one you see, let me group this one, a square c square minus 2abcd plus b square d square minus, all these 3 minus is there, so minus common I have taken, a square d square minus 2abcd plus b square c square. Now it is like a minus b whole square, here minus common plus you will get. Okay, so this is like ac minus bd whole square. In place of ac, in place of bd is there. Yes or no? Minus, and this is like ad, here plus is there, so plus bc whole square. Now you see, again it is like a square minus b square. So again we have to do a plus b into a minus b. So a means ac minus bd plus ad plus bc into a plus b, without now a minus b, ac minus bd minus ad plus bc, ad plus bc. Okay, now let us open ac minus bd plus ad plus bc into ac minus bd minus ad minus bc. So this is how, this is a different variety of question. I hope this is clear to you. Now one more variety here. Here you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 terms are there. And when we see like this, we can know we are 2x minus 2y. If you take 2 common, x minus y we will get. But here 4x square minus y square. You will get 2x plus y into 2x minus y. Then this one will be left out. So what we have to do is 4x square, let us split as x square plus 3x square. Any problem? In place of 4x square, I have written x square plus 3x square minus y square, remaining all as it is. I am noting down. After that, let us rearrange. Let us rearrange like this: x square minus y square one group plus 3x square minus 3xy another group plus 2x minus 2y another group. And here you should be very careful. Here 3x square is plus, 2x is plus, simply I do plus and bracket. If it is minus, you should be very careful. Now x square minus y square is x plus y into x minus y plus, in these two 3x is common, you will have x minus y, and here in these two 2 is common, you will have x minus y. Now we have 1, 2, 3 terms. In all the terms x minus y is common. If you take x minus y common, here you have x plus y, here plus 3x, here plus 2. Now you see x, 3x like terms are there. So we have to simplify that. X minus y into x plus 3x is 4x plus y plus 2. You see this is a different variety. So 3 different varieties I have explained you. And let me explain you some more different varieties basing on this. Okay? So your fourth question is x square plus 1 by x square minus 11, and fifth one, this one is given. Let us solve fourth one. How to do? You see x square plus 1 by x square, either plus 2 or minus 2 is there, means we can, it can be x square plus x plus 1 by x whole square. X square, here minus 11 is there. We can split 11 into 2 parts so that one should be the perfect square, other one can be written. So minus 11 we can do split as minus 2 and minus 9. Any problem? Minus 11 is minus 2 minus 9. Now you see, this is like x minus 1 by x whole square. Yes or no? X minus 1 by x whole square, if you open you will get it. And 9 means 3 square. Now again this is like a square minus b square. So your a plus b into a minus b, x minus 1 by x plus 3 into x minus 1 by x, minus 3. Okay, a plus b into a minus b. Now here you see, here minus 11 we have split as minus 2 and minus 9. But here let us see what to do. X to the power 4 minus 14 can be written as minus 16 plus 2 plus 2x square minus 16x square gives you minus 14x square. Any problem? Because 16x square is the perfect square. Minus 16x square plus 2x square gives you minus 14x square. Again it is like x square plus 1 whole square. If you don't know, let me expand and show you. X square whole square plus 2, take this as a square plus 2a into b plus b square minus 4x whole square. Now this is like x square plus 1 whole square minus 4x whole square. Again this is like a square minus b square. So a plus b into a minus b, and we can rearrange x square x number. That is good way of showing the answer. X square plus 4x plus 1 into x square minus 4x plus 1. So almost all the varieties and different varieties I have explained and show you how to factorize the given algebraic expressions basing on difference of two squares. Okay, In the next class, you are going to learn some more varieties of factorization chapter. Thank you.